Hey there guys, what's up? Welcome to your Innovators Launchpad course. My name is Sahil Rastogi and I will be your trainer for this course. I myself started my journey with Avishka, back when I was 11 years old. For me, it started with electronics and robotics club at my school, and then later on I even participated in IRC, International Robotics Competition, which is again organized by Avishka itself. As of now, I'm an electronics engineer by profession and a maker by passion. I have been working in Avishka since last three and a half years now. And for the first one and a half years, I was a trainer and research engineer. And as a trainer, I have actually trained more than 500 students across India. After that, I became product manager and designed and made this product maker board over here. We will talk a little bit more about this in further sections of our video. Avishkar is a company that teaches next-gen skills to young innovators. We have actually nurtured young innovators in over 15 plus countries, 1500 plus schools, and over 200,000 plus students. At Avishka, we believe in innovation through robotics. But robotics itself, it's a very misunderstood term. People, sometimes confuse it with AI, electronics, and robotics. There's a lot of confusion around these terms, so let me clear up the jargon for you. Robotics is primarily, made up of three different skills. The first one is mechanical design, the second one is electronics, and the third one is coding. Mechanical design is basically, how you can use different mechanical concepts to structure things together in an effective manner. It basically involves, using mechanical concepts and mechanical knowledge to create different contraptions that are mechanical in nature. Mechanical design is what basically gives motion to your robots. Second is electronics. So electronics is basically having knowledge of different electronic components and electronic design system, and how you can actually use this knowledge, the knowledge of different components, electronics, to design your own circuit boards that can actually control your robot. Last but not the least, coding. So coding is basically giving a set of instructions to a robot to execute. Coding necessarily means using different computer programming languages to write up a code that your robot can execute. Through this course of 10 videos, we will basically cover all these three different concepts and in turn kickstart your innovation journey. This course is divided into 5 parts of 2 videos each. We will start off with basics of programming using code.org. We will create some really fun programs that will help you get started with programming. We will then move on to app development, Android app development with MIT App Inventor. And after that, we will cover Avishka Maker Studio and how we can use it to run simulations and program our maker board. After the programming bit is done, we will move on to basics of electronics and robotics. With code.org, we will basically, start by creating a dance party sequence. You will be able to pick up your own music, your own characters, set your own scene, and literally you will be able to make your character dance at the tip of your fingertips. And after that, we will actually create a game. So we'll be creating a fireball game, where we will have two characters throwing fireballs at each other. You will actually have to use your keyboard to control your hero and defend him, and at the same time attack the villain. With MIT App Inventor, we will learn how to create a doodle app, and then move on to actually use the onboard, the inbuilt sensors of your phone, and create our very own fitness app. A fitness app which will be able to count the number of steps you have walked and the distance you have covered using the inbuilt pedometer sensor in your phone. With Avishka Maker Studio, we will actually learn about this new thing called a simulator and how we can use simulator to run programs of MakerBoard. We will start by creating our own animations. You will learn how basically you can create your own animations and run them on MakerBoard. And then we will move on to creating some retro video games, like those old 8-bit games that we had on old handheld gaming consoles. And we will basically create a car game, in which you will have to steer your car away from the oncoming obstacles on the road. In electronics, we are basically gonna learn about the basics of electronic circuits and actually create our own water level alarm. We will also learn that how we can use some very easy to find materials such as aluminium foil to create our very own electronic circuits. In robotics, we will basically learn about the basics of mechanical design. We will create our own rubber band powered car and also a very simple yet exciting walker robot. Now I know all of it sounds really exciting, but believe me when I say this is just the tip of the iceberg. Avishka has a lot more to offer. Just go on to our website avishka.cc and you will be able to see all the different courses and kits that we have to offer. Now here is the most important bit, how to make the most out of this course. Now I'm pretty sure that throughout this course, you will have plenty of doubts and questions. It's very simple. Just go on to our Facebook community page, Let's Avishka, and post all your questions there. We will make sure that they are answered as soon as possible. Also, when you are done with creating your projects, you can share those projects at the same page. You can connect with the community and meet some like-minded people. We also organize various contests, which you can also find on the Let's Avishka page. We actually have a Innovator of the Month challenge, in which you can win prizes up to 10,000 rupees. And apart from that, we host a lot of interactive webinars. We share the latest information from the tech world, and we regularly post very creative tutorial videos. And all of this information you can find on the Let's Avishka page. So now that you're all set to start your innovation journey, let's start with the very first project.